leadership and business experts will be there to handle the courses 9 to 3 p.m. daily. Each courses will take 4 hours. Date 15th to 19th August 2022. Venue 228 Upper Mission Road before Ewa Road Junction, New Benin, Benin City, Edo State. Companies, CEOs, schools, teachers, proprietors, ministers of the gospel, businessmen and women, entrepreneurs and experts to attend. For registration and other inquiries, call Solomon 080-346-58152. Joseph 081-4822-7087. Come learn on how to be an effective leader and also how to manage your business. Training leadership for effective and efficient service delivery.
And my future is the life ahead.
This is Transformation with your host, Eni Solomon Nosa. I came to a realization that the life that we are living is all about you. Whether you make success or not, it's all about you. Whether you are going to experience limitation, it's all about you. Whether you are going to make mark on act, it's all about you. And the truth is this, nobody has the capacity to limit you except you. Nobody has the capacity to limit you except you. There are no external forces or external factors that can place a limit on you without your permission. So you must understand that the you is important. So tonight I'm going to be addressing one topic dealing with self-imposed limitations. Dealing with self-imposed limitation. You is important. Self-imposed limitation are stronger than external limitations, because the very day you recover yourself from yourself, that's the very day your destiny will start. That's the very day. So that's why it's important to understand that you are important. And believe in me, our Creator never made a mistake when He told us that He has a plan for us, and the plan is, is of good and positive future. So we have a responsibility. We have a responsibility. But let's start with some few definition. What is self-imposed limitation? What does it actually mean? What does it mean when I'm talking about self-imposed limitation? What do I actually mean? Number one, this is the mindset of writing yourself off as a failure. Too many people are going through this problem. I could remember the vision I got before, on this radio program. And the message was, I should bring hope to the hopeless. I'm sure that's what I'm doing, because we have testimonies of people whose life are being transformed, and many lives also are being transformed. So when I'm talking about self-imposed limitation, I'm talking about the mindset of writing yourself off as a failure. Successive failure, successive disappointment had made you to conclude that you are a failure. Believe you me, until you break the cocoon that you have placed yourself, the cocoon of failure that you have placed yourself, the trap of failure that you have placed yourself, nobody can break it for you. So you have an assignment to break it. I want you to have a kind of a mind reorientation. I want you to speak to yourself boldly and loudly, I am not a failure. Because you know why? Isaiah 42 verse 4 says, shall not fail, shall not fail. It shall not fail. And we have not been created to fail. We are made in His image and likeness. If He, the Almighty, cannot fail, we cannot fail. So stop imposing self-limitation on yourself by the mindset of writing yourself off as a failure. You are not a failure. Whatever business you did, whatever thing you did that failed, marriages that failed, or whatsoever that has failed, it was not you that failed. It was just the events surrounding your life that failed. But you can bounce back. You can go back to your drawing board.